Wolf, Haley, Damo, Genesis, yeah.
650, 300, my shirt free. Shoot for the sky like a church league. Y'all heard me. Absurd G, chickens clucking for bird seed, but I gotta apologize. No grease like Xerxes, won't heat or burn me. I'm the coolest nigga here. Usually defecation, now I'm pissing in your ear. My tablet is the ratchet and the pistols in the rear. I bank it to his brainless, now the track's no longer here. Metaphors, chillin' with better whores, smoking then later on I bone them like Skeletor. What would I sow this for? This is free distribution. Style they straight jacket like mental institutions. Outfits is ruthless, now yo bitch is choosing. She floating around winners, now yo bitch you losing. Yeah, cause I'm the Super Sega Genesis. Salute me, gain invented it, and you can't get no membership, little bitch.
$666, leave it for the tip of my dick head, melon off and let it rip. Just like a cannon from the teen and Nick, that's equivalent to the poison in a cigarette. Tyler the creator invented some new shit, and it's probably from the Illuminati Nazi descent. So if I give a fuck, it's probably from my dick. When I'm chaining on your daughter, she's tied up inside a tent. Yeah, I future Wolfgang presents. We're back like a black bitch's hairline and dent. The shit I represent is killing niggas and shit. That's why I traded R. Kelly, my sister, for a new hit. I get it cracking like the lips of a nigger actor or a dama when he invited me in for cheese and crackers just to watch the Grammys. Oh, that's Taylor Swift. Man, she's so attractive. Now he's mad and trying to run me over up with Casey's tractor. Hop over, run backwards with a knapsack of green Supreme hats like I was sponsored up by the fucking Packers. Shitting on niggas, my tongue consider relaxative. Maxi pad, leave the beat brown like Rihanna lives. Backwashing to my gang, you don't wanna take a sip. Fuck Wolfgang, fuck what? Hey, let's take a trip. Take a look to this bullet. Now my fingers slip. My only purpose in life to kill myself up on accident. First job, yeah.